the man that can make anyone go viral. And I hate this topic because I want money. But since every visitor into my automated funnel is from $9 to $19, 1,000 visitors can make $10,000. Now I'm excited. But it's a 1.5 hour long video. I don't have time for this. So I use AI to learn money skills fast. Step 1, click this show transcript button. Then step 2, copy the whole script and paste it in a notepad. Save this as a PDF. Go to ChatGPT and open my proprietary custom GPT. Attach the PDF and hit enter. Now AI is doing its magic. It's analyzing the video and writing every single step, just like a tutorial, and even writing a standard operating procedure if I want to start this as a business. Finding interesting lines for my audience, writing a video script just for me, and even doing a strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats analysis so I don't make any mistake and I don't lose money. An article in 8th graders language and prompt so I can create AI image. And now it's creating images for the article. The first image, the second image, the third image. Now I have all the knowledge myself in order to make my short form videos and upload those videos in social media sites. Social media send us free traffic to our AI powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling for us, and when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the best part for which our students love our program is that it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to our free case study.